Excuse my hair. Excuse my hair, but oh shoot, it's sticky. Yeah. But anyway, welcome to the episode of Damage TV. This is Damage Creator back with another video, and I've been on my social media like crazy. If you have not followed me on Instagram yet, you should follow me on Instagram. It's in the description. But I've been on my social media tip, and I've been hearing about this thing like called body lava. And I was like, what's body lava? And it's just like, it's like a nice little some you got like, you can use like glitter and stuff. So I got glitter that I'm not using, and I got like some baby oil from I bought some baby oil. I was like, fuck it, I'll make some body lava. So I first do is go ahead and get started. And I'm on my phone because my webcam act like a bitch. Alright, so we back. So we got a travel bottle already cleaned out. Something in there. Probably like some water or something. Yep, all cleaned out. We got this right here. We got the glitter. That's our lava for the day. And we got some baby oil from the market. And I had to get some shampoo too, because this has to be washed immediately. Alright, so we going. Man, is there anything else in there? It should be nothing else in there, bitch. Okay. I wish I had like a funnel, but I don't. I'm so mad. Alright, so let's pour the baby oil in there. Ah! I'm pouring on the floor. I'm screaming because I ain't like how that oil came, bruh. Alright. Got the baby oil in there. Let me see. It still smells good. I ain't gonna lie, I got the first bottle of baby oil I seen, and it was cheap too. But anyway, now we got the oil. Put the oil in there. Oh see. Hate using glitter. Like I had a glitter storm in here the other day. Now we gonna add this glitter. Now we're going to add glitter. Go over there. Fucking fairy dust. Oh, well, that's it. Now we're going to add the rest of the glitter. Because there ain't no more. Kind of want to see what it looks like. It looks like alien blood. So maybe this could be, I think the title should be Alien Blood Lava, because that's what I thought of. Oh, so terrible. Right, I ain't got no good rag. But yeah, so this will be the rag for the day. Alright, so the key to doing this is to shake it. So let's shake this bad boy. Bruh, it is a glitter storm. You probably not gonna see it because I got the front camera on. But if I had the back camera on, you will see that glitter storm, bruh. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at the alien blood. That joint hot. Alien blood. And that's the last of this stuff. So I might have to use this for something. I don't know. I might not use it for anything. I might just throw it away. Because I have enough containers as is. But yo, we got our alien blood body lava. Look at that. That looks hot. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Click on the notification bell. Get all the notifications where you notify of all my videos all of the time. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. First take, baby.